Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.